Hello everyone, so today I have a FabFitFun mystery bundle. And of course I left my scissors over there. Pause it. Okay, I'm back. So that took a while. Couldn't find my scissors, so I had to painstakingly get to the knot out. And Tiffany from Tiffany Wears T-Shirts would hate how I did that because I used my teeth to get it. But anyways, let's get into this. First thing I'm pulling out is Sticker and Chill Personal Spaces. Design 10 scenes with 600 plus stickers. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so there we go. Okay, I see what they're doing here. So it's like that. I probably won't stick the stickers in the scene because I don't know. More. These are really stuck together well. Not. Some of these are getting stuck back on the scenery that they have. No, kitty. Okay, well, I'm done looking through that because I'm bored. Okay, so this is a little bag with some makeup brushes from Millie Rose. There's a little bee on the zipper. And there's some throughout the bag too. I'm not gonna open these because I'm not sure if I'm gonna take these. Okay. Oh. Okay. So this was a mug, and it's broken. As you can see, I'm not gonna even take this out of the bubble wrap because yeah, I don't want to accidentally hurt myself because it's kind of sharp. But yeah. If you look there, it would have just have a whole row of just saying Boss Babe. So, but yeah, that's broken. So I'm gonna contact them about that. And then the last thing is Everything Mask. Multifunctional clay mask that clears, restores, and renews. Says NGS, non-gender specific. Everything mask, apricot seed, and mineral clay resurfacing treatment. So this is what it looks like. Well, what the box looks like. And this is what the bottle looks like. Feels like glass. Feels nice and weighted. Don't know exactly. Okay. It smells good. It smells citrusy. But looks like this. So there's a good chunk missing out of there, because not much is in the lid either. So oh well. I have a lot of masks, so I don't need a ton of more of it, but I'm probably going to keep that one. So yeah, one out of the 4 things I'm going to keep. I don't think I would have kept the mug even if it wasn't broken, but we'll see what they do for that. I don't know if they'll replace it or just give me credit or what, but I'll update you guys on that. I'll put it in the description if I don't get it up, I don't get the video up by the time I get an answer from them or whatnot. I don't know. I'm kind of off it today. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope y'all have a good day. Bye. Okay, I have another FabFitFun mystery bundle to share. I'm just going to smush it together with my last mystery bundle since I haven't posted that yet. But anyways, this one looks immensely better. First off, we have a Spongel, and it's in beach grass. It smells good. It's a little strong. Like, if it was like a sweet scent, like a food scent, like a blackberry or something, and it was this strong, I like it more. But this kind of scent, I'd rather it be lighter. Then I got this all natural green goo bath salts, clear mind, rosemary, and lemon. Awakes the senses and elevate your mood. Nice size. I like lemon and rosemary, so that's strong. That's strong. That's very, very strong. But it's good. Okay, next. This is a necklace from Karma. It's dog-eared. But this looks like... Oh, dog-eared is the company. Karma is the style, I guess. I don't want to open this, but it looks like this. It has little jewels on the side. It's pretty. Probably not gonna wear it because it's gold. Like, if it was an anklet, I would. I like anklets. But, oh well. And then the last thing, I got these in one of the past boxes. I'll use them at least. They're useful, but I wasn't really a fan of these when I got them in my actual box either. But I will still use them. So yeah, that was immensely better than my other one. Not just because there were broken items in my other one. Like, even if they weren't broke, it still wouldn't have been as good as this one. To me anyways. So, let's have Tigger say hi. Here's Tigger. Yeah, she's my go. He's my little hole. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope y'all have a great day.